Halpewatte Tea Factory, wearing the traditional sari and ready for a tea plucking session.
We have a small bud here, that is the one we call white tea, silver tea, gold tea, all in one.
My objective here to rupture the cells and slowly release those chemicals. Those chemicals are concentrated in the process number 1, having taken 45% of the water. Now the chemicals are ready to come out. They are concentrated. Now I do the rolling in a machine designed by an engineer 100 years ago. I do the rolling on the top because the top is the softer part. So I be gentle on the rolling. I don't like to apply too much of pressure. Low temperature between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius. Now this is the rolling I do. Look at the machine. All these teas are going to have equal time of 3 minutes, not to exceed that one. So you will find the taste is going to be different, cup to cup.